Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will share with you how I make this veggie stock. This is a quick, simple and healthy recipe which comes in very handy with lots of different recipes. So for this stock I use carrots, celery, leek, celery roots, fennel, onions, garlic, cloves, salt and pepper. Start with washing all the veggies. Then cut the carrots, peel the onions, cut the celery roots, leek and fennel, and crush the garlic. The great thing about making stock is that you can use any vegetable that you have. For instance, in this recipe I use celery roots and fennel, but if you can't get your hands on those ingredients, you can either leave them out or you can substitute them. And the same goes for other veggies in this recipe. Add water. Bring it to a boil. I covered my pot with its lid. And as you can see, the water is reducing. You can strain it to get rid of the veggies, or you can take them out like I'm doing here. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys.